Now in this particular demonstration we will see that how a particular motor that can be fed from the feedback that to the feedback of the motor can be fed from the push button, and we'll see the output of the motor at the lamp. So basically we are going to use this switch as a input, motor contactor input, and we will use this lamp as a motor output. Okay, so these two are presently connected on the Micrologix onboard IOs. Okay, so if we see here on in the DCS screen, so this is the block icon for the motor. So presently it is gray, so we'll just click it on. Already the motor is in the manual mode, so we will start it from the faceplate and we'll see whether the lamp will become on or not. So I am just acknowledging it as a okay. So if you see, now this lamp has been glown. Okay, so we have to immediately give the feedback, otherwise this motor will go into the error mode. So if you see here, this motor has become green, so it has been started, and the same indication is there in the faceplate also. So let's assume that if we have given command to the motor, but we doesn't or we haven't received the feedback, so it has to go into the error, watchdog error. Okay, so here we will just remove the feedback signal from this switch, and so after a few of the monitoring time, here we got the error. Okay, and that okay, so here also we got the alarm of motor feedback error. So now the motor is into the error mode, and if we see the output, the lamp is also not in the blown position. So we will just reset the fault, and we will give the actual input, then again it has to start. So I have just again started the motor, the lamp has glown. Now I will give the feedback, and you can see that this status will continue. So this is the way how the DCS faceplate is actually linked to the final output, that is the lamp. So the main purpose which we want to illustrate here is the communication or the interface between a Siemens DCS operating station and the actual field output through Micrologix has been succeeded. So from the faceplate we have given command to the 24-volt DC output lamp, and that is using this Micrologix PLC. So this is how a particular motor has been illustrated. So I think in the next we will see how a particular valve can be operated from the DCS screen.